Hello, this is going to be Devlog number 2 of my custom-made game engine. Here I've implemented new, better collision detection response. As you can see, not going through walls anymore like the last Devlog posted. Although some angles, some instances, you can get like a really close to a wall. It looks a little bit weird, like this. But I've also still working on getting the texture scrolling right. Like for example, all textures being set to like a certain speed or having their own individual speeds. I've also still working on getting the sprite rendering done correctly. Right now it's a bunch of hard-coded values and it doesn't have anything like height added to it. So like these two sprites right here are more or less stuck to the floor and are rendered on the floor because the sprite can't be moved up or down. So the art itself is like the sprite itself has all of its art on the bottom of it, the picture. So it looks like it's around the floor, but in reality, it's more like wall size height. But for the collision detection, which will explain some other things, here I have purple box, blue box. Purple one is basically the player's bounding box. The blue one is the player's bounding box after the velocity gets added to it. So what happens is these red boxes are the level collision geometry, if you call it that. But yeah, this is basically bounding boxes of walls, floor tiles, where you want the player to be able to walk through. And that gets generated based on where the player is and where they will be after the velocity change. This is supposed to be a lot more faster than the other method that I was using. But here you can see the player can like go to this corner. In the rendering engine, I'm currently having the player's origin set to like the top left corner. So as you can see, like you go right here, right here. So in engine, it's everything's going off of the not the center, not the player's center, but the top left of their bounding box. Which, so if I go back to the rendering, so like right here, the camera, like player origin, is sitting right here at the corner of these two walls. But if you go somewhere like to the southern walls, you don't exit. You see, like you stop a like short distance from the wall, and I'll be fixing that later on. But that'll be for this devlog. And the next one, I will be displaying. I'll be displaying hopefully better sprite rendering. Like I can set like height or whatever, regardless of the actual text size of the sprites and the level editor, which will more than likely be set from the game itself, like an in-game editor, like a 3D view and all that. But thank you for watching.